What concept involves understanding how molecules are formed? A. Chemical bonding. B. Oxidation states. C. Element classification. D. Atomic mass. The correct answer is A. Chemical bonding. Which type of transport is very convenient for connecting oil and natural gas fields to refineries and markets? A. Road transport. B. Air transport. C. Pipeline transport. D. Rail transport. The correct answer is C. Pipeline transport. Which president released Nelson Mandela in 1990? A. Thabo Mbeki. B. P. W. Botha. C. Jacob Zuma. D. F. W. de Klerk. The correct answer is D. F. W. de Klerk. Which Chalukya ruler controlled vast areas between the Narmada River and Kaveri River in the late 11th century? A. Vikramaditya VI. B. Someswara I. C. Vengi. D. Manyakheta. The correct answer is A. Vikramaditya VI. What is the process called when water molecules are broken down by the passage of electric current? A. Ionization. B. Hydrolysis. C. Oxidation. D. Electrolysis of water. The correct answer is D. Electrolysis of water. What is the basis for the arrangement of elements in the modern periodic table? A. Increasing order of their atomic number. B. Increasing order of their chemical reactivity. C. Increasing order of their physical properties. D. Increasing order of their atomic mass. The correct answer is A. Increasing order of their atomic number. Which process is the opposite of freezing? A. Evaporation. B. Melting. C. Boiling. D. Condensation. The correct answer is B. Melting. What is carbon dioxide used for in the context of food preservation? A. To make bread rise. B. As a component of water gas. C. As a reducing agent. D. As a preservative for fruits. The correct answer is D. As a preservative for fruits. What is defined as the distance between 2 points? A. Weight. B. Time. C. Volume. D. Length. The correct answer is D. Length. What distinctive feature does the central dome of the Jain temple at Mount Abu possess? A. 11 concentric rings. B. 7 intricate carvings. C. A series of mosaic patterns. D. A single, massive ring. The correct answer is A. 11 concentric rings. When a glass rod is rubbed with silk, what is the state of the charges on the two objects? A. They both acquire an unknown charge. B. They both become positively charged. C. One becomes positive, the other negative. D. They both become neutral. The correct answer is C. One becomes positive, the other negative. What is one characteristic of a democracy? A. Centralized power in one ruler. B. People directly participate in decision making. C. Limited public involvement. D. Power inherited through family lines. The correct answer is B. People directly participate in decision making. What is a current used for compressed natural gas, CNG? A. As fuel in automobiles. B. For generating electricity in wind turbines. C. As a refrigerant. D. As a solvent in paints. The correct answer is A. As fuel in automobiles. What are the two types of cells students are instructed to build? A. Fungal and algal cells. B. Bacterial and viral cells. C. Prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. D. Plant and animal cells. The correct answer is D. Plant and animal cells. What is the direction of the buoyant force on a body immersed in a fluid? A. Diagonal. B. Horizontal. C. Downward. D. Vertical upward. The correct answer is D. Vertical upward. Where is the solar system located within the galaxy? A. Outside the disk of the galaxy. B. Beyond the Milky Way. C. At the center of the galaxy. D. Within the disk of the galaxy. The correct answer is D. Within the disk of the galaxy. Information traveling towards the spinal cord is found in which spinal root? A. Anterior. B. Lateral. C. Dorsal. D. Ventral. The correct answer is C. Dorsal. What term is used to describe urban women who are chronically energy deficient according to the National Family Health Survey? A. Obese. B. Undernourished. C. Hydrated. D. Overweight. The correct answer is B. Undernourished. What do people hear a variety of in their daily life? A. Different colors. B. Different sounds. C. Different tastes. D. Different temperatures. The correct answer is B. Different sounds. Who announced the discovery of graphene? A. Kostya Novoslav and Andrei Game. B. Marie Curie and Pierre Curie. C. John Dalton and J.J. Thomson. D. Linus Pauling and Robert Oppenheimer. The correct answer is A. Kostya Novoslav and Andrei Game. What is the main reason that coal and petroleum are considered non-renewable? A. Their formation process is very slow. B. They are difficult to extract. C. They produce a lot of pollution. D. They are found in limited quantities. The correct answer is A. Their formation process is very slow. Which of the following space agencies was not mentioned as having reached Mars before ISRO? A. NASA. B. Soviet Space Program. C. All were mentioned. D. European Space Agency. The correct answer is D. European Space Agency. Which of the following is not mentioned in the text as a state or process related to heat? A. Sublimation. B. Condensation. C. Solid. D. Boiling. The correct answer is D. Boiling. What is the chemical formula for ethanoic acid? A. C2H4O2. B. CH4O2. C. C3H6O2. D. C2H6O. The correct answer is A. C2H4O2. Which of these is identified as a cause of road accidents? A. Overspeeding. B. Using indicators. C. Awareness of surroundings. D. Safe braking. The correct answer is A. Overspeeding. Which substance is associated with hygroscopic properties? A. NaOH. B. CuSO4.5H2O. C. CaO. D. CaSO4.2H2O. The correct answer is A. NaOH. Which field of study is oncology related to? A. Cancer. B. Heart diseases. C. Infectious diseases. D. Brain disorders. The correct answer is A. Cancer. Which building was shown in pictures by the teacher that looked like a fort? A. Fort Street. George. B. India Gate. C. Parliament House. D. Red Fort. The correct answer is A. Fort Street. George. Sarvarayan, Kanjamlai, and Chalk Hills are associated with which district? A. Vellore. B. Erode. C. Salem. D. Tiruvannamalai. The correct answer is C. Salem. What happens to the surface of water when a vibrating dish touches it? A. It freezes. B. It becomes still. C. It shows movement. D. It evaporates. The correct answer is C. It shows movement. How did you score?